Home remedies for vaginitis. What is vaginitis? It is a term that means that inflammation or swelling of the vagina due to infection or bacteria. It also is a broad-ranging term for the many varied conditions that can and will happen to your vagina. Number 1. Yogurt. Yogurt is a good body detoxifier. To use this home remedy, soak a tampon in yogurt and stick it inside your vagina for 2 hours. When the time is up, take a shower or otherwise rinse out the vagina with lukewarm water. Do this once a day to get the fastest results. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps to restore the natural pH balance of your vagina, and that is one of the symptoms of bacterial vaginosis. One of the best ways to use this home remedy is to take an apple cider vinegar bath. To do this, add 2 cups of apple cider vinegar in a warm bath. Soak in this bath for 20 minutes to see results. Do this every day until you no longer have vaginitis symptoms. This home remedy is especially helpful when used to treat a yeast infection. Number 3. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil eliminates bacteria inside your vagina. Like with apple cider vinegar, one of the best ways to use this home remedy is to take a bath. Add up to 8 drops of tea tree oil in your bath and soak in it for at least 20 minutes. Do this every day. This home remedy works well for bacterial vaginosis. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic is an antibiotic, which means that it is great at treating any ailments caused by bacteria. To use this home remedy, all you need to do is add more garlic into your diet. Try to eat at least a clove of garlic a day. Number 5. Fenugreek Seeds. Fenugreek is a good immunity booster. It also helps to balance the pH balance as well. To use this home remedy, you can either add fenugreek seeds to your meals or drink fenugreek seeds. Either add a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds to your meals or drink a cup of fenugreek tea once a day to get the best results. Number 6. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a natural fighter of viruses, bacteria, and fungus that can grow inside your vagina. This home remedy is simple to use. All you need to do is rub a finger of coconut oil in and around your vagina at least once a day, up to 3 times a day. Do this until you no longer have vaginitis symptoms.